Hi everyone, Cigdem here. I wanted to take a moment today to speak to you openly, honestly, and from a place of deep intention. Over the past few months, I've been thinking a lot about my responsibility, not just as the founder and the CEO of Skin Masterclass, but as someone who genuinely cares about the future of the skincare industry and the professionals inside. And I have been asking myself one question over and over again. And that is, how can I truly help skin professionals succeed more? When I do talk about success, I mean for you to master skincare science, confidently deliver educational, personalized skincare consultations, and for you to earn more and scale your skincare consultation business from local to global. That has always been my mission from day one, more than a decade ago when I first launched Skin Masterclass, to help you transform skin confidently. So I want to be very clear about what's actually been happening inside Skin Masterclass today. Since our launch, Skin Masterclass has always run as one complete system. So we have the Pro certification, which covers the skincare and ingredient science education, and also the Pro Consult software, which is our trademarked skincare consultation software built with our consultation process inside it. Both the education and the software were always designed to work together. They were actually never meant to be separate. That only changed last year when we decided strategically as a business to split them into two standalone products. And after serious reflection, listening to our community and looking closely at recent client outcomes, though this separate model favored me more financially, yes, I've actually come to realize something very important. For an effective consultation process, one that truly benefits your client and you as a skin professional, you cannot do without both. So education alone is not enough, and software, so your operating tool alone, is not enough. Because my role is to help you, equip you, and support you in scaling your business. And that mission simply can't work in pieces. It only works when everything comes together. So from the 1st of February, the Skin Masterclass certification and the Pro Consult software will no longer be sold separately. They are coming back together, like they should be, as one complete system, Skin Masterclass Pro. However, this time we will be moving into a cohort-based format, meaning you will only be able to join Skin Masterclass Pro at specific times of the year and be guided through a structured onboarding experience. This will include weekly live practical sessions during the first month when you join, followed by ongoing monthly support throughout the year so you are fully supported. This change is to raise the standard of our industry, and it's the only way that I can truly align with the reason why I left chemical and process engineering to create Skin Masterclass in the first place. And my aim is to help as many skin professionals as possible to master skincare science so you can confidently deliver educational, personalized skincare consultations that transforms your client's skin through skincare. So you can earn more by scaling your skincare consultation business from, I always say, from local to global. So if you have any questions, my DMs are always open for you. And just so we are clear, I know I spoke a lot, just so we are clear, both the education and the software are still available separately until the 1st of February for those who feel like that's probably the right fit for them right now. But after that, so from 1st of February, our doors will close temporarily. And when we reopen later in the year with the new cohort date, Skin Masterclass will move forward as one complete pro journey.